if one aircraft was considered too ugly, too slow, and too outdated to survive modern warfare, yet somehow became one of the most feared battlefield killers ever built? The A-10 Thunderbolt II, better known as the Warthog, was never designed to look beautiful. It was built for one brutal purpose: destroy enemy armor, protect troops on the ground, and survive missions that would destroy ordinary aircraft. But after decades of combat service, one massive question still remains. Is the A-10 Warthog still flying today? And if modern stealth fighters dominate the skies, why do soldiers still trust this Cold War attack aircraft with their lives? During the Cold War, military planners feared massive armored invasions across Europe. Enemy tanks could overwhelm frontline forces rapidly, and traditional aircraft often struggled to destroy heavily armored targets effectively under dangerous battlefield conditions. The United States needed something different. Not a sleek interceptor, not a high-speed dogfighter, but a flying battlefield predator built specifically for close air support. That aircraft became the A-10 Thunderbolt SEM. The design looked strange from the beginning. Straight wings, large engines, heavy armor plating, massive cannon mounted directly into the nose. Everything about the aircraft prioritized battlefield survival. And that terrifying cannon became legendary. Pilots flying the A-10 entered some of the most dangerous environments imaginable. Low-altitude enemy missiles, heavy anti-aircraft fire, constant battlefield threats. Yet the aircraft kept returning home. Stories emerged of A-10 surviving catastrophic damage, missing sections of wings, damaged hydraulics, engine failures, bullet impacts covering entire fuselages. And somehow, the aircraft continued flying. Why? Because the A-10 was engineered like a flying tank. So what exactly made the A-10 so effective? Close air support. The aircraft specialized in protecting troops fighting directly on the battlefield below. Unlike high-altitude strike aircraft, the Warthog operated dangerously close to enemy forces, identifying threats and eliminating them rapidly. This required extraordinary precision. Pilots needed constant battlefield awareness while coordinating with ground units under combat pressure. The aircraft could carry bombs, missiles, rockets, and its devastating GAU-8 cannon simultaneously, and in many conflicts. Ground troops learned to recognize the terrifying sound of the cannon before even seeing the aircraft. The A-10 Thunderbolt II became far more than a military aircraft. It became a symbol of battlefield protection. A machine designed not for prestige, but for survival and support under extreme danger. Its massive cannon, armored cockpit, and brutal combat reputation transformed the Warthog into one of the most recognizable aircraft ever built. And even as stealth technology dominates headlines, the A-10's combat legacy continues inspiring military aviation around the world. And if you want more hidden truths about legendary warplanes, stealth technology, and untold military aviation secrets, subscribe now. Because the next story may reveal the classified aircraft designed to replace battlefield legends forever.